If you are unable to solve the entire question bank, this video is for you.
If you have not started your NEET PG 2025 revision, this video is for you.
If you are searching for the right mentor, this video is for you. So hi everyone, this is Dr. Aman Tela. Today we are going to discuss the last 2-month plan for NEET PG 2025 if you have not yet started your revision. Now I invite on this channel my own mentor who mentored me during my PG preparation, Dr. Rajat Jain sir. So sir, welcome to this channel.
Thank you, man.
Upfront asking you this question, sir. What is the difference between a student who brings a good rank in PG versus a student who does not?
I have only one word, and that is discipline. All those students who are disciplined during the preparation time, they eventually end up with a better rank in comparison to the students who are not disciplined.
Right. And in this video, we will not just be giving you the timetable, we will also helping you to stick with it. So the first thing is the timetable which you can see on the screen. That is that we have divided the slots till NEET PG 2025 in a slot 1 from 17th April to 11th May, then last 5 days revision for INI, then your slot 2 from 18th May to 7th June, and the last 7 days in which you need to revise the volatile topics before your final NEET PG examination. And this is how your timetable will look like. This is a timetable which I have created, and I have included re-revision day on every 7th day, in which I require that you should re-revise all that what you had read in the past 6 days, and 8th day I have left unstructured for the leftover topics. Now, this schedule is a part of Auto Endgame mentorship and testing course for NEET PG 2025, which you can join, and we will not just be sticking to this schedule, but we will help you stick to it and improve your rank to get your dream branch in your dream medical college in NEET PG 2025. Now, coming to the self-study and the most important thing, discipline, sir. Over to you, sir.
Yes, so discipline has got 3 important components. The first is to make a schedule. Second is to make sure that you are following it. Now, how you gonna follow it? There will be time of ups and downs. And at that point of time, you need somebody who is there to support you, to guide you. Most of the time, people call that person as mentor. Third, very, very important aspect is keep testing yourself repeatedly to check how you are becoming better. In the preparation, the aim is to be a better version of your past. So timetable, a right amount of mentorship, and testing are the 3 important components that we have to take together.
And this will ensure that you have that discipline which you can put into the self-study to give you a great rank. Now, for mentorship, you have nothing greater than the mentorship of Rajat sir and Praveen sir. Sir, if you can tell more about this mentorship.
So in mentorship, we try that the students start their day with a positive attitude. A positive brain tend to imbibe much better in comparison to a negative brain. So we try that at sharp 8:45, you attend this session for 15 minutes, and at 9 o'clock, you are on your table. You are on your table with a positive attitude. We keep on discussing sometimes some topic. We keep on discussing about the schedules, the common challenges that you are facing in your daily life during your preparation. 9 o'clock, you are starting your studies, and your time is going on for the whole day. And in the night, in the evening, you are sending a message that whether you are able to utilize your time in the best possible way for the exam.
And this is something which many students say that has been, sir, imbibed by you, which you always say in your sessions, that whatever time is left with you, just forget about what has gone. Whatever is now left with you, please try to make the best use of it. Don't have that regret that you did not best utilize the time available for you.
Aman, I believe in a philosophy: control the controllable and do not bother about uncontrollable, right? So there is one thing that is in your hand, and that is a time that you have. Try to utilize this time in the best possible way, because on the day of the exam, the only statement that should come to your mind is you did your best. I remember when you came to me, 4 months were left for the exam. I say, whatever that has gone, leave it. Now let us try to utilize these 4 months in the best possible way, so that once you go for your exam, once you come out for your exam, you can say this to me that I did my best. And I still remember, you came out of the exam, you called me, and when I asked, how was your exam? You say, sir, I don't know, but I did my best.
Yes, and that is the zeal we all hope you to see as well. Now, there are tremendous improvement stories with Auto PG mentorship program. Some of these are as follows: 34,000 rank to 1,800 rank. What matters is the improvement. 20,000 rank to 3,500 rank. There are also students who have brought top 1,000 rank. But what we say that With this program, if you are aiming for NEET PG top 5000 rank, this is a program for you. However, if you are aiming for maybe top 50, top 100 rank, you already know what to read, what to revise. This program is not meant for you. Now, and the biggest example is me sitting in front of you. I believe sir was my mentor, and I secured a top 500 rank in INICET in my first attempt itself. Now, I believe that if you are giving 1 GT per week, you may be attempting 200 questions. However, if you daily attempt 40 questions every day, that is more than that, 250, 300 questions. And we have already included the Marrow schedule for GT in your timetable. So that is already included. So it is a win-win situation for all of you. Now, what makes this mentorship program special is the fact that daily morning you will be waking up, and by 9 a.m. you will be on your table and chair, because you would have attended that session of Praveen sir and Rajat sir from 8:45 to 9 a.m. on Zoom, and you would be charged for the entire day. In the evening 7 p.m. you will be giving a time bounded 40 questions, 45 minutes test. This test I will be designing. Where this test will be happening, this will be happening on the Marrow platform, and you need to have an active Marrow subscription to give this test. This test will expire at 7:45 p.m. and it will not be re-attemptable. This has been done purposefully so that you have a hard stop at 7 p.m. and you don't delay things. From 7:45 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. you are requested to please review this test and analyze your weak topics. 8:30 onwards, have your dinner. 9:30, sit back again. Please review those weak topics and strengthen those weak topics you had identified from that test. And the next day, you start with the new subject. And that is what you have to continue doing every single day till your NEET PG 2025 to get your dream branch. Now, there have been amazing reviews from students, including a student who just got 135 questions correct in her GT9 and Marrow, Dr. Tejas, who never earlier scored more than 100 questions correct. There's another student, Dr. Jayashree, who says that she's a part of auto mentorship and testing batch, and the quality of questions are too good. There are others who say that the question selection is top notch and it is a game changer in the true sense, and it gives you a sense of direction. So every evening you will be able to actually know that how much you have prepared, you are able to apply in the test. You'll be able to gauge your preparation level. Now over to you, sir.
So you need to download Auto Learning Expert Guidance app. Both the Android version and iPhone version are available, but on iPhone you have to download My Institute app, and you have to put org code AEBNF, and then you will be directed to the Auto Learning app.
Now you will be added to this group after enrolling, in which you will be getting the 8:45 a.m. Zoom session link as well as the 7 p.m. test link, and this is something which will keep you motivated throughout your PG preparation. Now, before joining, some disclaimers. There will be challenging times ahead, and it is not feasible that let's say you would be saying that you will be able to stick 100% to this timeline. Maybe you will be able to do 60 or 70% in your first revision, and maybe 80% in your second revision. But we are there in these challenging times ahead with you. If you are one single day, if you have a aim of maybe completing PEATs, you might be able to complete just 60 or 70% by 7 p.m. and maybe 80% by night 12 a.m. before you sleep. But that's all. Next day, start with the next subject according to the schedule, because you already have those unstructured days with you. Second thing is, this is specifically aimed for NEET PG. So if you are aiming for a top 50, top 100 rank in INICET, please don't go ahead, join this. This is specifically for those aiming for NEET PG focus, and this will have questions specifically NEET PG related and NEET PG importance related questions. Third, as I already mentioned, there will be no retest and no recordings of the Zoom session available to you again, and this has been done specifically so that you stick to the schedule. And fourth point, you need to have an active Marrow subscription with you to be able to give the test. At the end, sir, I leave it to you to give some parting words.
So we have already mentioned that the most important aspect is having a right kind of timetable with somebody who is there with you in your tough time, and a right kind of testing.
Thank you so much for joining us, and Auto has truly changed lives of hundreds of students, and I hope it will change yours as well. All the important links are given in the description. Go ahead and enroll now in the Endgame Auto NEET PG mentorship and testing batch. You're gonna love it for sure. Thank you so much, sir, for coming to my channel and sparing your valuable time.
Thank you.
All the very best, guys.